Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Recently, Bitcoin is again rejected by the resistance of this triangle, and now it is moving down to test its support once more. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move, and we will also take a look at the bigger time frame chart as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me just show you this smaller triangle that we have on the 4-hourly time frame. And you can see this is a descending triangle, and we have several rejections. Bitcoin is still getting rejected by this resistance, and we have several rejections. We have two rejections here, and then again rejected here, again rejected here, and again rejected here, and almost 2 rejections we have once again. And right now the price line is moving down towards the support, and we have a bounce here. We have a bounce here as well, and we also had another bounce, and this was another bounce. And for example, if this time the price line will be once again bounced, then this time the resistance will be approximately here at $29,730, and then Bitcoin can make another attempt to break out this resistance. Now, for example, let me show you the target if we will have a breakout from there, because as much it is moving deeper inside this triangle, the target can be changed, because we need to place this trend line at the breakout point, and the breakout point is going, you can see, moving to the downside. Now, for example, if we will have a breakout from here, then our target this time will be approximately at $33,500. Here you can see the projection. And for example, if we are going to break down this support, then it is showing us a projection to the downside that is $25,392, where we also had this spike as well. Now I would like to show you this monthly time frame, and here we can see that Bitcoin is moving inside this support and resistance, and this is a parallel channel that Bitcoin has formed since after January 2021. And we can see that the support is at $28,600, and this triangle support is, by the way, exactly at the same level at $28,600. And the resistance, the exact resistance we have here at $64,895. And you can see every time, whenever it is bouncing from this support, it is forming higher highs. And you can see again it bounced from the support and formed another higher high here, and again it is at the same support. Now the question is, this time are we going to set another higher than previous high? And if we take a look at the oscillators with the combination of this chart with this channel, then you can see that this time the stochastic has entered the oversold zone. And if we just take a look at the major lows on this chart, for example, here you can see that we have these 2 lows almost at the same level, but this was the previous major low. You can see this was from the month of March. And if we take a look at this low, then we can see that we have a very, very big distance between this previous low of March 2020. By the way, this is the March 2020, and the current low that is being formed, even this low as well. And if we take a look at the stochastic, then we can see that stochastic from the month of March, and now it is getting exhausted. You can see it has entered the oversold zone. It is moving to the downside. And if we take a look at the RSI from the month of March here, and there's the trend line here, and let me show you by zooming it out, then we can see that it is also forming a lower than previous low. It is also getting exhausted, so it is showing a hidden bullish divergence on the very, very big time frame, on the monthly time frame chart. So it is possible that we may have a price reversal from here, but this is the monthly time frame chart. The movement can be really very slow. On the daily time frame, we can have extreme sideways move here. Now, for example, if we take a look at the previous move, then when we dropped here at the support, when we dropped here, Then we place this measurement tool on the daily time frame. Then from this candlestick to this candlestick, we moved here for 62 days. Now, if we take a look at the previous period when we dropped here at this support after this, after breaking out this resistance in January 2021, then we can see when we tested this support here from this day of 4th of January to here on this candlestick, we moved at this support for 24 days, less than a month. So you can see that the time period is getting increased. Here we had less than a month, and here we had more than 2 months. And recently we can see, if I place again this measurement tool from this candlestick to the current one, then we can see this is 17th day. So there is a probability that we may have more sideways move, and during this we may have another jump from here and again drop at this support. Like previously we have been having such situation, like we almost tested the support here, we had another jump, again tested the support here, had another jump, again tested the support, and again had another jump, and here we had several jumps. And during that period, on the short term, you can definitely open the long positions on the short term, like on the 15 minutes or 30 minutes or hourly time frame charts, but not here while we are testing the support. And now let's move to the weekly time frame. Then here we can see that we are still having the support of this falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that we had a touch point here, we had another touch point here, again had another touch point here, another touch point here, another touch point here, and recently we have touched the support once again. And if we take a look at the daily time frame, then you can see that after hitting this support, we have bounced well, and now we are having this accumulation, and this accumulation has formed this triangle. Therefore, I'm telling you in my every video that this triangle is make or break for Bitcoin. If this triangle on the 4-hourly time frame will be broken down, then there will be a very high probability that we may move more down to test the weekly 200 simple moving average. That is approximately at $22,000 right now. And if we will break it out, then there will be a probability that Bitcoin may also break out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern as well. And by the way, the target for this falling wedge pattern will be here, approximately at $68,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.